Okay, moving on from Chhu Mantar, what is the similarity between Karishma Kapoor and Radhika Avasthi? They're both 42 years of age. No, I'm kidding. I mean, they're both back. One from a holiday and one from her life in oblivion. Take a look at this chat.
To an actress who's taken the term yummy mummy to a different level altogether. Karishma, how do you manage? We never see you out of place. Whether it's stepping out of your house, going to premieres, you're always perfect.
No, thank you so much.
3 tips you would want to give all the ladies out there, how to kind of like juggle career with mommy duties.
Firstly, a genuine advice is have your priorities right in life. And then everything falls into place, and have a great skincare cream which can take care of everything in minutes, especially if you're a mom and then you're working as well, and you know, today all of us kind of lead such stressful lives. And thirdly, eat healthy.
Eat healthy. Eat healthy most importantly, which I think most people don't. But talking about your busy schedule, I mean, Kian's almost 10 years old.
Yeah, he's a year old.
Yeah, so how, and well, you've signed Vikram Bhatt's next film, that's not a secret. So what prompted you to kind of like step back into?
Well, like I've always said that I would do a movie at the right time when I felt the time was right. And I think my family is touched with complete now, and my kids are growing up, and I think it was just that gut instinct and a lot of pressure from everyone, be it the audience or family and friends, that I must do it. And I really like the script, so I just said yes.
Well, apart from the script, I mean, when people heard about your comeback, they would think of a Yash Chopra or a Karan.
Well, you know, honestly, firstly, I'd like to remove this term, comeback. I'd really like to say that even in the West, actresses, I mean, all the topmost actresses, be it Julia Roberts, Gwyneth Paltrow, I mean, Reese Witherspoon, Kate Winslet, Oscar-winning actresses are all Angelina Jolie, look great, and they're all mothers, and they're all married, and they all just go on maternity leave and come back to work. So similarly, that's the case with me.
One last question. I think everyone keeps on asking this. I have to ask you this, but well, everyone knows that Kareena made that announcement 2012 is her year for getting married.
Well, honestly, I wouldn't like to again say much on this, but I think we have been a family that when we go out to do something, we're very honest about it. I think to the whole world out there. So, like I told you, when I do a movie, I would tell everyone when the time was right. So similarly, when Kareena does decide to get married, she will tell everyone. So there's no secret, and when that time is right, I don't know when that's going to be.
Thank you so much, Karishma.